Here I've got Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus, and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should pick wallpapers and themes. And now just pick one from the wallpapers here. You can also go to themes if you want to apply some theme to your device, but I will change the wallpaper to this one. And finally, you have to decide if you would like to set this wallpaper as your home screen, your lock screen, or maybe both of them. Let me choose home and lock screens. And this is how it would look like, so if you truly want to set it, just click on Set as Wallpaper. And that's it. As you can see, it has been applied, so both home screen and also lock screen, they both have been changed. So that would be all. That's how you can change wallpaper in your device in your Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.